Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 38. I've just remembered to pick the camera up. It is Friday. As I mentioned last week, this week's going to be super quiet on the BTHQ classes front, but I have just unpacked 3 suitcases of vintage goodies that have been donated to us by a member of the local community, and I like to give back, so I've put them outside in the hope that you lovely lot are going to come for a rummage and make a little donation to the Mind Tin. I may have kept a few bits for myself, but more on that a bit later. And there's already a rummagee outside. Rummage.
Well, I was told to rummage, so I'm rummaging.
Found anything good? Ooh, I can't see you in that.
No, I can't see me in that either.
Actually reminds me of a tablecloth, but it is a good sized piece.
It's a very good sized piece, and actually it's rather nice. But
what about that one?
Which one? This one?
No, behind me. I'm pointing at it.
Oh, sorry. This.
I think that's another piece of that really long, vintagey. It's slimy, but it's not in a bad way.
I'm not good with slimy stuff.
It's like a viscose of some sort,
Again,
isn't it?
It's huge.
Yeah. Beautiful. There's going to be some great things made with this, and there's a load of yarn as well. All this DK yarn, so we'll see who comes along. Hopefully we're going to have another couple of nice days. The sun is shining, so it can all stay outside and air, because inside I am about to set to on the new Tilly and the Buttons Lotta dress, which has just arrived. So I'm going to trace that off today and hopefully get that cut out and do a little bit of sewing for me. Good afternoon, it's Saturday. It's been really busy this morning, people coming and buying fabric, which is lovely. So I haven't had a chance to take you into class. We've just got 2 lovely ladies today doing yarn dyeing with Michelle. So I thought I'd take you in. They're currently painting their sock blanks. Michelle is like the potion master here behind her counter with all of her containers. She's working on a secret squirrel project at the moment, which is fabulous. Starey. And then we've got the lovely ladies in here sitting and painting away, although Geraldine's not got any paint on the go just yet. She's mixing her colours. Fabulous. Ooh, going for stripes. Stripy splodges. Fabulous. And then cooking in the pots there, I'll have a look at those later, are the skeins that they dyed earlier. I think Michelle's is outside. Oh no, they're all out here already. They've already been cooked. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at those. Oh, yum. That greeny blue one is lovely. Really nice. Really lovely.
So is that all you?
And they are all done for the day. Look at these. Beautiful. Oh, hello. That sock blank's lush.
The 241.
Gorgeous. I just love how everyone does stuff so differently. So are these purposely done slightly differently, or were they designed to be similar?
Yeah.
But just done...
One's deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
So
lovely.
Together,
Yeah, you could knit them 2 at a time, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Every couple of rows, couldn't you? So,
Stripes of, like,
gorgeous.
yeah.
Good afternoon, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Wednesday afternoon. I am here in the studio. I've just driven home from Hampshire, where I've been for a few days with the lovely Elspeth. There is a lawnmower on wheels going past, it would appear. I have popped into the studio just to set up, because we have Ginger Jeans on Friday, Saturday and Sunday with Charlotte Newland, and not only do I need to make sure that everyone has their own nice safe pod for them to work in, I need to make sure there's enough space for them to have 2 sewing machines, which is the best way to get a pair of Ginger Jeans made, and shared access to various stations around the room for ironing and overlocking. So it has been a little bit of a jig, but I've managed to do it. So so that's good, which means I can have my day off tomorrow. Even though I've had 3 days off already, I can actually just stay at home tomorrow and crack on with some admin and get bits and pieces done, and know that I can come back in on Friday and crack on with our class. So I thought I would quickly pop on, grab the camera, finish off this week's BTHQ Banter, and by the time you are watching this, we will be well underway, hopefully making another 5 fantastic pairs of ginger jeans. It's going to be really lovely having Charlotte back in the studio, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with myself for 3 days because I need to get out of their hair, but we shall see. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you all again really soon. Oh, and just before I go, remember the doors are currently open to our sewing club. They close again at the end of September, so you only have a couple of weeks to join this next term, and then they won't reopen again until 2021. So if you want 3 months of fantastic tuition and projects to really get cracking on some of those Christmas presents, you need to click the link down below and sign up now. You won't regret it. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.